Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 356A Speedster. Beautiful Bali Blue, tan interior. As you'll also note, Rudge knockoff wheels. Hop on in, do a cold start, we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in our 58 356A Speedster. We'll do a little cold start. Starts right up. In discussing those upgrades, as we said, the Rudge knockoff wheels, front wheel disc brakes. It's been converted to 12 volts. Has a tremendous secret audio, a little hidden under the dash here. Bluetooth audio as well. Weber carburetors. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. We have a little temperature in our 356A Speedster. Joey! Always good to see a customer in his DB6. But as I digress, back to our beautiful 356A Speedster here. Again, Bali Blue over tan interior. Very well upgraded. We've known this car for quite a long time, having it sold to its most recent owner. Really drives so nicely. One of those cars not only looks good, drives as good as it looks, and everything works really well on it. Great exhaust note from that 1.6 liter 1600 engine. Clutch gearbox, brakes, again upgraded disc brakes in the front. Really enhance the driving experience and the feel you get from this. Speedsters are so cool to drive, so nice to drive. Really light and easy and a lot of fun. And very rewarding too. Take these on Colorado Grand, California Melee, great road or rally tour car. Yet, easy enough, you could take it out, go get ice cream, go get dinner. Very pleasurable. Really effortless shifting, great steering feel, feedback, really nice car. So we'll come up here to the S's and we'll put her through her paces a little bit for you. It's like our own little Friday afternoon road rally here with our customer in his DB6 behind us. Great view. Really good looking car. We'll come up here and we'll drop Andrew off and we'll do some flybys for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed those flybys. I don't know if you could tell or not, but I definitely did. Despite being a little brisk early April day here, it's still a tremendous ride in this car. A little bit of sun out, sun staying out later on the northeast here. It's just a great sign that spring is right around the corner and you need to have a Speedster for spring. So this car's got great history with us. We sold it to its most recent owner quite a bit of time ago. It was then repainted from Fjord Green to its current state of Bali Blue. And it's been in this collection in Pennsylvania with quite a few other really nice cars. All of the cars are ready for concours lawn, road rallies, use at any point in time. Always serviced anywhere, anything that's needed gets done to his cars. So we're going to come up here to the farm road and we'll stretch our legs a little bit and we'll be right back to you. All right, so here we are on the farm road. We'll take her up through the gears. Great sound from that air-cooled 4-cylinder. Pulls so well. Clutch gearbox. And one of the coolest features of this car is this secret audio that we have here. Still can hear it even at speed. Bluetooth CD changer for those of you who still use CDs. But hope you guys enjoyed this one. Comment below, like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we will catch you on the next one.